How to make an easy shrimp fettuccine alfredo my way. Noodles, scrimp, heavy cream, butter, and cheese. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Come on, let's go. Check the shrimp for any spots or discolorations. Throw the shrimp away if it has a bad smell. Squeeze and twist the tail end of the shrimp and throw it away. Remove the shell and any residue from both sides of the shrimp and throw it away. Check the back of the shrimp for a black vein and remove it. This is the poop of the shrimp. Place the shrimp into a colander. Rinse with cool or cold water several times. Then pat dry with paper towels. Place the shrimp into a bowl and set it aside. Add the salt, the garlic powder, black pepper, the olive oil. Mix until all of the seasonings are well combined and coat the shrimp. Then set the shrimp to the side. Fill a deep pot with water and place on high heat. Add the salt when the water starts boiling. Carefully add the fettuccine noodles to the boiling water. Stir carefully the fettuccine noodles to prevent them from sticking together. Cook the fettuccine noodles for 8 to 10 minutes. Carefully remove 1 to 2 cups of the hot pasta water and set it aside. Drain the pasta and return it back to the pot. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of the olive oil and stir until the pasta is well coated with the olive oil, and then set the pasta aside. Using a pot on medium to low heat, add the butter and allow the butter to melt. Add the heavy cream to the melted butter and stir until well combined. Now add the Parmesan cheese to the butter and heavy cream mixture. Add the 6-cheese Italian blend. Turn the heat down to low and stir well. Add 1 cup of the hot pasta water and stir. Then add a pinch of nutmeg and stir until well combined. Using a skillet on medium heat, add the butter to the skillet and allow it to melt. Now add the shrimp to the skillet. Depending upon the size of your shrimp, the total cooking time should be between 4 and 5 minutes. Please do not overcook your shrimp or it will taste like rubber. Add the garlic powder, the black pepper. Now add the minced garlic. When your shrimp starts to look pink in color, turn the heat off. Add the fresh lemon juice and fresh or dried parsley. Remove the shrimp from the heat and your shrimp is now done. Using a bowl or large platter, place the fettuccine noodles into the bowl. Pour the creamy, homemade Alfredo cheese sauce over the fettuccine noodles. Toss the fettuccine noodles several times into the homemade cheese sauce until fully coated. Now place the sautéed shrimp on top of the Fettuccine Alfredo noodles. Add the Parmesan cheese and dried or fresh parsley. And here you have it, the easy, beginner-friendly shrimp fettuccine Alfredo my way. Fettuccine noodles, minced garlic, butter, black pepper, garlic powder, salt, shrimp, olive oil, parsley, Parmesan cheese, 6 Italian blend cheese, heavy cream, nutmeg, and fresh lemon juice. You know what time it is. Give this recipe a try. And stop playing. This is DeSHANTA B. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. You are greatly appreciated. The beats bumping this video is called the Steelo remix by music producer MARQ the Infinite. Contact him through his Gmail or SoundCloud. You know what time it is. Thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. And stop playing. And until next time, bye guys.